Struggling with soil erosion on slopes that's messing up your lawn health? Let's talk about how installing terracing or retaining walls can be a real game changer for your yard, especially if you're tired of watching all that good dirt just wash away every time it rains. So, first up, if your yard's got a hill or even just a gentle slope, you know how rain loves to pull all the soil downhill and leave you with patches of bare ground. One thing you can do is put in terracing, which is basically creating flat steps or sections in your slope so water slows down and doesn't just shoot straight off. You can use wood, stone, or those big concrete blocks for the walls. Just pick something that matches your vibe and budget. When you build terraces, make sure each one is level so water soaks in instead of pooling up or running off too fast. A solid retaining wall at the bottom holds everything together and stops soil from piling onto your driveway or sidewalk. Always put some gravel or drainage pipe behind the wall so water doesn't build pressure and start pushing it over, you know? Planting grass, ground cover, or even shrubs on each level helps hold the dirt in place and looks way better than a muddy mess. If you're not sure how to start, talk to a local pro who knows about lawn drainage and soil types in your area. Seriously, it's worth it. One of the most common mistakes with soil erosion control on slopes is picking the wrong materials for retaining walls, which can lead to early failure and even more erosion problems. Use sturdy stuff like treated wood or blocks specifically made for outdoor use. Don't just grab whatever's lying around. Another big issue is forgetting about drainage. If water can't escape, it'll build up and push your wall over or create soggy patches in your lawn. Always install some kind of drainage system behind the wall, like gravel backfill or a perforated pipe. The third mistake people make is not anchoring their terraces or walls deep enough into the ground. If the base isn't solid, everything's gonna shift when it rains hard, so dig down and make sure your foundation is set before building up. BigHomeProjects.com totally helps homeowners find trustworthy local contractors who actually know their stuff, so you don't have to stress about hiring someone shady for your terracing or retaining wall project. Contractors love it too because they get matched with real jobs in their area and can connect with folks who need their help right now.